BKF Recovery. BKF Recovery software is a unique software that recovers all inaccessible and corrupt Windows backup files. Some of the essential features of the software. It successfully repair unlimited BKF file of any size. Use search option to locate and save particular files from recovered data. Exceptional feature to preview 200 different file formats. And also support BKF files created by Windows NT Backup and Symantec Backup EXEC. Let's install and run BKF Recovery software. Choose the Open option from the main menu and select the files that you want to recover. Now select the scanning options, either set complete range or partial range. And click OK. Click on OK button when process is complete. Select the particular file from the right panel to preview your recovered BKF file data. The software provides a log feature, which stores the scanning process in the form text. Lastly, save the recovered BKF file by clicking in Save button. And select the destination folder to store recovered BKF file. Close the application. Feel free to connect with us. Log on to www.arysontechnologies.com. Thanks for watching video.